Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to fix this issue. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just go to your settings of your phone, and then on the settings of your phone you will go to apps here, and on apps you will go now to Instagram. This Instagram, and what you can do right now, just you will click on storage and you will click clear data and you will click OK, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you and help you, I hope. And don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.